In this video, you will learn how to convert your bootable USB drive back to normal. First, open Command Prompt as administrator. Type disk part, then enter. Next, type list disk. Now, type select disk and check carefully which disk is your bootable drive. Make sure it is the bootable drive you want to convert. Next, type clean, then hit enter. Next, type create partition primary. Then type active. Type format fs equals ntfs quick. Wait for it to complete. Finally, type assign. Now, your drive is already converted to a normal drive. Exit the disk part command line utility by typing exit. Then exit the command prompt, and you are done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.